Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making chicken shish kebab Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin.
I'm hungry.
If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. The ingredients that we need is 1 kg chicken boneless, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, you can use any sauce that you want, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 freshly squeezed lemon, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 green chili which is not spicy, and also half an onion. We'll cut those in cubes. We also need skewers and the spices which we'll come to later on. First of all, in our chicken, add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add a tablespoon of chili sauce. Okay, let's move on to the spices. These consist of 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of roasted crushed cumin, a quarter teaspoon of Ajwain, 1 tablespoon of black pepper crushed, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So that goes in the chicken.
I'm hungry.
Now mix thoroughly. Now cover and leave in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now cut the veggies in cube shapes like so you can add them to the skewers. Here we are after 2 hours. It's time to put the chicken and the veggies in our skewers. There's no trick to this, you can do it any way you like. Just one thing to bear in mind is that our skewers were soaked in cold water so they don't burn. Our skewers are ready to cook. I am using a grill pan to cook my shish kebabs. You can also bake them in the oven.
I'm hungry.
Our chicken shish kebabs are ready to enjoy. You can serve with rice if you desire.